I want to talk to this girl, this beautiful girl. Mama, I'm not your hater. I love you so much, The reason why I want to talk to you is about your makeup. Manzi, your makeup, ukweli kutoi poa. Try, kwanza yenye umepaka latest, haikutoi poa mama. Go to your makeup artist or find one if you don't have. Akuonyeshe the right product for your skin, for your color. I remember there's a video you made saying that now you have inherited your mother's makeup. Our skins are not the same. Your mom's skin and your skin is not the same. Your mom's color, your color, still not the same. You can't apply her makeups. Just find someone, if you are sure you don't know, just find someone to show you the right products to use. Sawa sawa kama mama. Apart from that guys, I advertise jobs at a fee, and then kama ni employer na unahitaji employee, kindly ni WhatsApp namba kwa one of the pinned video, kuna namba yangu pale, uchukue unitafute WhatsApp. Na pia employees pia na wakonektia kazi. Kama wewe unataka kazi, wewe pia nitafute kazi ikipatikana, then I will let you know through WhatsApp status.